Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to view pending payments on Scotiabank. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website scotiabank.com, then click on the Sign In button. Next, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Move Money at the left side of the screen. Click on Move Money. Then, on this page, you will see an option that says Pay Bills. Click on Pay Bills. Next, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Pending Payments. That's how you view your pending payments on Scotiabank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.